This question asks us to name the following molecule using IUPAC nomenclature, indicating whether the molecule is cis or trans. The first thing we need to do is find the parent hydrocarbon. These 4 carbons in the ring are going to be the parent hydrocarbon. When I have a molecule with 4 carbons in the parent, that is butane as the parent. This isn't going to be butane, though, because the 4 carbons are in a ring. This will be cyclobutane. Next, we should find the substituents and their locations. On carbon 3 and on carbon 1, I have an isopropyl group. So on C1 and C3, I have 2 isopropyl groups. We use the prefix di to indicate that there are 2 of them. So this is diisopropyl. And finally, we should indicate whether those groups are cis or trans to each other. They are both on wedges. They're both on the northern face of the molecule, the top face of the molecule. So this is a cis relationship between these 2 isopropyl groups. We can now take all this information and combine it into the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name for this molecule is cis-1,3-diisopropyl cyclobutane.